Hello there, good afternoon. We'll take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So lots of wintry weather around this weekend, but the snow across the southern half of the UK has now turned back to rain, and there's plenty of added snow melt too. But still, the snow keeps falling over the higher ground of northern England. Here there is a Met Office amber weather warning still in force until midnight tonight, and that covers the Pennines and the Cumbrian Fells, where we're still expecting some further accumulations, and some of that snow could drift around as well, with brisk easterly winds blowing here, so still some travel disruption to be expected. That snow just curling off into the southern uplands. But this is the radar picture showing us the recent rain and the snow turning back to rain across the southern half of the UK. There's plenty of spray here on the roads, and there'll be more rainfall to come and some added snow melt as well. The snow will affect parts of the southern uplands, and there'll be icy stretches with more wintry showers into eastern Scotland. Some sunshine for western Scotland, still a bit of a wintry mix across the hills of Northern Ireland. But just look at the temperatures, 12, 13 degrees Celsius, very mild across the southern half of England and into South Wales. But it remains cold further north, and the milder air never quite gets here. So everything is just going to refreeze onto the roads and pavements overnight tonight. There will be some very icy stretches. It remains very windy, areas of rain around at times, and some more falling snow, especially over the higher ground. But this is how we're starting off the day tomorrow. Still 11 degrees Celsius in East Anglia and South East England underneath that rain, and then the low pulls away into the North Sea. There'll be plenty of wintry showers, and we start to draw down that northerly wind again. The colder air will be digging back in, but very windy for these North Sea facing coasts, and also towards some of these western coasts as well as we head through the day. Again, it's some more wintry showers piling in across northern eastern Scotland down through the Pennines, and some wintry showers too for Northern Ireland across Wales and possibly for the Moors and the Tors. Temperatures across the south and the east will be dropping through the day. We'll end the day with mid-single figures here. So staying cold. Here's that colder air just sweeping back in again from the Arctic, and the chilly air is sticking around as we head through the rest of the week as well. It certainly is an icy start. Watch out for those icy stretches, especially on Monday morning. It'll stay cold with wintry showers and widespread frosts by night. This is Tuesday. Now there'll be more showers into the north of Scotland piling in on that northerly wind. They'll be wintry in nature. The winds are still quite brisk towards coastal areas, but they will lighten inland. Temperatures again no higher than low to mid single figures really. With those lighter winds, then there could be some areas of mist and fog around on Wednesday. And just take a look at this rain towards the south. On the leading edge of that, there could possibly be a little bit of wintriness. Perhaps we'll be keeping an eye on it. Again, it's still feeling very cold. There will be some ice around, and if we do see mist and fog, it could be quite slow to lift and clear. Now, that area of low pressure will curl away again as we head through Thursday. Again, widespread frosts on Thursday and Friday mornings. Then we start to see some more rain just edging from the Atlantic here. It's not going to make too many inroads, but it will turn the air a little milder out towards the west. But then high pressure builds back in again from the east, and that colder air will still bite towards the east. So generally as we head through next week, well, it's not as eventful as this weekend has been, but watch out for more wintry showers around, and it's still very cold.